this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Klarna to WooCommerce. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up Klarna and use it within WooCommerce. So you can set this up by going over to the settings and downloading a specific plugin. So for the method that I want to showcase in this video, you will have to use this plugin by Crocodile. So look for Klarna payments for WooCommerce in the list of plugins. There are other ways to get this done. However, this is the one that I recommend and the one that I'm going to be showcasing for this particular video. So when you look for Klarna payments, it should be the first result, Klarna payments for WooCommerce. Make sure that you install and activate this plugin. Once it is properly installed and activated, you will find it available here. So you go to plugins and you will see Klarna add-ons. Inside of this menu, you will be able to customize the options related to Klarna. So the very first thing that you have to do, which is essential, is to install Klarna Order Management. Handle post-purchase order management in Klarna's system directly from WooCommerce. This way you can save time and don't have to work in both systems simultaneously. So this is critical to make sure that the plugin works smoothly. And of course, you can download on-site messaging, but this one is the most important one. So after this is set up, if you go to the WooCommerce settings and you access the Payments tab, a new option will be available here, Klarna Payments. Of course, make sure that it is enabled, and if you click on it, you will be able to customize the settings. The most important thing to check here is to see if it is enabled, and now you are free to modify everything. So you can change the title, you can enable or disable task mode, logging, and other options. If you are curious about what each of these settings do, just hover your mouse over the question mark here, and you will be able to get details. And you can also make the "What is Klarna" prompt appears if users are curious on what Klarna is but they have never used it before. It will be available on checkout, and you can do a test payment if you are curious to see how it works. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Klarna to WooCommerce. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.